Hi, my dear students. We are going to chapterize concept. The chapter is trigonometry. Topic is periodicity, extreme values, and graphs. So already periodicity part completed and extreme values already begin. So some more questions from extreme values, which are depends upon arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Now we are going to arithmetic mean. We have to discuss about arithmetic mean, simply called as AM, arithmetic mean. So suppose we have to take two quantities, small a and b, and then the arithmetic mean of a comma b is a plus b by 2. We have to take three quantities a, b, c. Arithmetic mean of a, b, c is a plus b plus c by 3. Arithmetic mean of a, b, c, d is a plus b plus c plus d by 4. That's why simply arithmetic mean is nothing but sum of the quantities by number of quantities is called arithmetic mean. That's why AM of small a comma b is a plus b by 2, and AM of a, b, c is a plus b plus c by 3, and AM of a, b, c, d is a plus b plus c plus d by 4. That's why arithmetic mean of n quantities, sum of the quantities by number of quantities. That's why arithmetic mean of a1 comma a2 comma a3 comma a4 so on an is a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus so on plus an by n. That's all. So this is the definition for arithmetic mean. Sum of the quantities by number of quantities. That's why simply it represents sum of quantities by number of quantities. Sum of quantities by number of quantities, or sum of observations by number of observations. That is sum of observations by number of observations. Sum of observations by number of observations is called arithmetic mean. That's why arithmetic mean simply denoted by AM. So arithmetic mean of a comma b is a plus b by 2. Arithmetic mean of a, b, c is a plus b plus c by 3. Arithmetic mean of a, b, c, d is a plus b plus c plus d by 4. Arithmetic mean of a1 comma a2 comma a3 comma so on a4 comma an is a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus so on an by n. That's why sum of quantities by number of quantities, or sum of observations by number of observations. So this is AM, arithmetic mean. That's all. Now we are going to geometric mean. Now geometric mean. So geometric mean simply it represents GM, geometric mean. So geometric mean of a comma b is root AB. Geometric mean of a comma b is root AB, and geometric mean of ABC. Geometric mean of ABC is GM of a comma b comma c is cube root ABC, and geometric mean of ABCD geometric mean of GM of A comma B comma C comma D is fourth root of A B C D. Fourth root of A B C D. That's what geometric mean of A B C D is fourth root of A B C D. Now geometric mean of A1, A2, A3, A4 so on up to AN is nth root of A1 into A2 into A3 into so on AN. So geometric mean of n observations is nth root of product of n observations. That's all. So geometric mean of A comma B is root AB. Geometric mean of ABC is cube root ABC. Geometric mean of ABCD is fourth root ABCD. And geometric mean of n observations nth root of the product of the observations. So that's all. So this is the geometric mean. Now we are going to the questions. So solve the questions depends upon this concept. So that is the relation, the most valuable and important relation, and more number of questions depends upon this concept. That is arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. That means AM is greater than or equal to GM. Now we have to construct the questions related to AM is greater than or equal to GM. Now solve the questions for maximum value or minimum value according to the concept AM is greater than or equal to GM. Now the question is the minimum value of 2 cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus root 2 tan theta in open 0 to pi by 2 is the first option 2 plus root 2, second option 3 root 2, third option 2 root 3 and fourth option 3 plus root 2. Now we have to solve this question. Now solution for this one. Solution. So here take the expression that is 2 cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus root 2 tan theta. That's all. So these are three quantities, 2 cos theta and 1 by sin theta and root 2 tan theta. Now we have to take these three quantities. Now according to AM is greater than or equal to GM. So arithmetic mean of this one is 2 cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus root 2 tan theta, which is greater than or equal to cube root of, since geometric mean, this is arithmetic mean by 3, this is arithmetic mean which is greater than or equal to geometric mean of this, greater than or equal to. So geometric mean of greater than or equal to cube root of 2 cos theta into 1 by sin theta into root 2 tan theta. That's all. Now from this, here 2 cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus root 2 tan theta greater than or equal to 3 times of cube root of, now here this is 2 cos theta 1 by sin theta, this root 2 tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. That's all. Now from this, here cos theta gets cancelled, sin theta gets cancelled. That's why it gives 3 times of cube root of 2 root 2 power 1 by 3. So 2 root 2 is nothing but, t is greater than or equal to 3 times of 2 root 2 is nothing but 2 power 3 by 2 power 1 by 3. Here 3 gets cancelled. That's why which is greater than or equal to 3 root 2. So since that is 3 into, here 3 gets cancelled, 2 power 1 by 2. 2 power 1 by 2 is root 2. That's why answer is 3 root 2. That's why minimum value of the expression is 3 root 2. That is in second option. That's all. Now we are going to next question. Now we are going to the question. The minimum value of 9 cot theta plus 16 tan theta is first option 6 and second option 9 and third option 12 and fourth option 36. So here same process according to the arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. So here two quantities are there, 9 cot theta and 16 tan theta. That's why solution for this question. So take these two quantities, 9 cot theta plus 16 tan theta by 2 is greater than or equal to geometric mean root 9 cot theta into 16 tan theta. Okay, 9 cot theta into 16 tan theta. Now from this one we have to write 9 cot theta plus 16 tan theta greater than or equal to 2 times of square root of 9 into cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta into 16 into tan theta. That's why tan theta gets cancelled. This is 2 times of root 9 into 16, 144. That's why it is. Now this is 2 times of root 144 is nothing but 12. That's why it is greater than or equal to 24. That's why the minimum, so that the minimum value of 9 cot theta plus 16 tan theta is 24. That is in third option. That's all. Now we have to define the formulae. That means standard results according to this concept. AM is greater than or equal to GM. Now to find minimum value of A sin theta plus B cosecant theta, according to the same concept, AM is greater than or equal to GM. So this is the standard result. So like this result we have to prove. So A sin theta plus B cosecant theta according to AM is greater than or equal to GM. That's why we have to take here two quantities. What are them? Two observations. The two observations taken as A sin theta and B cosecant theta. One observation is A sin theta and another observation is B cosecant theta. That's why according to the formula AM is greater than or equal to GM. Here A sin theta plus B cosecant theta by 2 greater than or equal to root A sin theta into B cosecant theta. That's all. Now from this A sin theta plus B cosecant theta is greater than or equal to 2 times of square root of, here this is A sin theta into A sin theta, B into cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. That's why here sin theta gets cancelled. So it is 2 root AB. So A sin theta plus B cosecant theta greater than or equal to 2 root AB. That's why 2 root AB is the minimum value of A sin theta plus B cosecant theta. So minimum value of A sin theta plus B cosecant theta is 2 root AB. So maximum value not defined. Maximum value infinite. Since minimum value 2 root AB, maximum value undefined. Okay, that's this is the process for finding A sin theta plus B cosecant theta minimum value. So similarly we have to write some standard results. That means cos and secant, tan and cot, like this. Okay. Now we are going to the standard form, some standard formulae on the concept of AM is greater than or equal to GM. The first one already proved, that is A sin theta plus B cosecant theta greater than or equal to 2 root AB. That's why this is the minimum value of this one. Now A cos theta plus B secant theta is greater than or equal to 2 root AB. This is the minimum value for this one. And A tan theta plus B cot theta is 2 root greater than or equal to 2 root AB. This is the minimum value. Same A square sin square theta plus B square cosecant square theta greater than or equal to 2AB. And A square cos square theta plus B square secant square theta greater than or equal to 2AB. A square tan square theta plus B square cot square theta greater than or equal to 2AB. These are all 6 depends upon this concept AM is greater than or equal to GM. And some more concepts, the extreme values of A sin square x plus B sin x cos x plus C cos square x are A plus C by 2 minus root of B square plus C square minus B square plus A minus C whole square by 2. This is the minimum value for this function, and A plus C by 2 plus root of b square plus a minus c whole square by 2. This is the maximum value. That's why these are the extreme values. This is the minimum value and this is the maximum value. Now one more formula, that is a square secant square x plus b square cosecant square x is greater than or equal to a plus b whole square. That means for this one, a plus b whole square is the minimum value. Occurs at x is equal to tan inverse root of b by a. At tan inverse root of b by a, the value of x at tan inverse root of b by a, it gives a minimum value a plus b whole square. Again, if the function in the form of, if f of theta is equal to root of a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus root of a square sin square theta plus b square cot square theta cos square theta, then the minimum value of f of theta is a plus b, occurs at theta is 0 degrees, and maximum value of f of theta is square root of 2 times of a square plus b square, occurs at x is equal to theta is equal to 5/4. That's why it gives minimum value at theta 0, maximum value at theta 45 degrees. So one more formula, that is a power cos square x plus a power sin square x greater than or equal to 2 root a. This is the minimum value for this function where a is positive. That's all. So these are the standard forms, or the standard results. So most of the objective questions depends upon these forms. So that's why these forms are very, very important. That's why you can practice these forms, and you can create the questions. It depends upon these forms. So now we are going to do the questions on these concepts. Now the question, that is the minimum value of 9 secant square theta plus 4 cosecant square theta plus 7 is first option 32, second option 25, and third option 20, and fourth option 49. Now we have to solve this question. So take this expression, f of theta is equal to 9 secant square theta plus 4 cosecant square theta plus 7. First, we know that a square secant square theta plus b square cosecant square theta greater than or equal to 2ab. That's why here a square is 9 and b square is 4. So a is 3, b is 2. That's why according to this form, 9 secant square theta plus 4 cosecant square theta is greater than or equal to 2 times of 3 into 2. So which is greater than or equal to 12. That's all. So 2ab, since actually mistake, that is a square secant square theta plus b square cosecant square theta greater than or equal to a plus b whole square. That's why a square is 9 and b square is 4. That's why a is 3 and b is 2. That's why 3 plus 2 whole square. So it is 25. So 9, that means 9 secant square theta plus 4 cosecant square theta is greater than or equal to 25. Now this is the minimum value for this one. Now required minimum value for f of theta. So f of theta is greater than or equal to 25. This one plus 25, that means greater than or equal to 9 secant square theta plus 4 cosecant square theta plus 7. So this result is 25. So f of theta greater than or equal to 25 plus 7. So f of theta greater than or equal to 32. That's why the minimum value of the given function is 32. That is in first option. That's all. Now we are going to one more question. Now the next question, if f of x is equal to 2 plus cos square x plus secant square x, then its value always is first option f of x less than 1, and the second option f of x is equal to 1, and third option it lies between 1 to 2, 2 greater than f of x greater than 1, and the fourth option f of x greater than or equal to 4. In first option maximum value 1, and second option is equal to 1, and third option minimum value 1 and maximum value 2, and fourth option minimum value 4. So take the function f of x is equal to 2 plus cos square x plus secant square x. We know that cos square x plus secant square x is greater than or equal to 2 according to am is greater than or equal to gm. That's why f of x is greater than or equal to 2 plus 2. That's why the minimum value of f of x is 4. That's why that is in fourth option. So fourth option is right answer for this question. Now we are going to one more question. Now we are going to next question. The least value of cos square theta minus 6 sin theta cos theta plus 3 sin square theta plus 2 is first option 4 plus root 10, second option 4 minus root 10, and third option 0, and fourth option 4. That's we have to take the function f of theta is equal to cos square theta minus 6 cos theta sin theta plus 3 sin square theta plus 2. So this is considered as f of theta. Actually, we know that least value of a sin square x plus b sin x cos x plus c cos square x is a plus c by 2 minus root of b square plus a minus c whole square whole by 2. So according to this formula, we have to identify the least value for this part. So this part we have to rewrite, that is 3 sin square theta minus 6 sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta, where a is 3 and b is minus 6 and c is 1. That's why according to this formula, a plus c by 2, that is 3 plus 1 by 2. So after simplification, it is 2 minus root 10. This is the least value for this function, but required least value enter this function, that is f of theta, which is greater than or equal to 2 minus root 10 plus 2. That's why that is 4 minus root 10. That is in second option. That's all. Now we are going to the next question. Now we are going to the next question, that is if a plus b is equal to 90 degrees, then cos a cos b belongs to first option, closed minus 1 by 3 to 1 by 3, and second option closed minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2, and third option closed minus 1 by 4 to 1 by 4, and fourth option closed minus 3 by 4 to 3 by 4. Now solve this one. Actually, given condition a plus b is equal to 90 degrees. If a plus b is 90 degrees, then sin a is equal to cos b, and cos a is equal to sin b, and cos b is equal to sin a, and cos a is equal to sin b. That's all. Cos b is equal to sin a. Cos b is equal to sin a, and sin b is equal to cos b. Like that. That's why here from this cos a into, in place of cos b, what we have to write? Sin a. That's all. Now divide and multiply by 2. Here 2 sin a cos a. Actually 2 sin a cos a is nothing but sin 2a. That's why half sin 2a. That's all. So sin 2a lies within the interval minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 less than or equal to sin 2a less than or equal to 1. So divide by 1 by 2. That's why minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to sin 2a less than or equal to 1 by 2. So the answer for this one, that is minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. That's why cos a cos b belongs to minus 1 by 2 to minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. That is in second option. Okay.